So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you latest important updates about Santo Coin, its price prediction this year, Mega Balloon, and its major central exchange listings because still Santo is not listed on many major central exchanges. But because Sundog was the first meme coin in Tron ecosystem and high market meme coin in Tron ecosystem, so it's definitely possible that we can see Sundog listing on major central exchanges, and it's also possible that Sundog can be the next $1 billion market meme coin. So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here and make sure to like video and subscribe the channel. So friends, in last year, Tron ecosystem has launched a meme coin. Its name was Sundog. That was the first meme coin in Tron chain, in Tron ecosystem. Because before there, we saw many meme coins in Solana chain, Base chain, Tron chain, Ethereum, BNB. But this was the first meme coin, first dog theme meme coin, and first overall meme coin in Tron ecosystem. So that's why Sundog was in massive hype in previous year. But due to crypto market flows also jump, so this price is barely jumping. You can see current price $0.07 and last 30 days 37% dump, last 14 days almost 30% dump, last 7 days 10% dump, last 24 hours 9% dump. Current market right now only $74.4 million, but already hit I think $500 million around that, and $42 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Trading volume is amazing. Still there's no Binance, Coinbase, Kraken listing for this meme coin, but already $42 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is amazing. 1 billion coin supply, all circulation. You can see, friends, Tron ecosystem meme coin. Okay, not Solana or Ethereum. You can see dog theme meme coin and Tron ecosystem. All time high was $0.3, where from we are 80% down, and only 88% up. Then its all time low, they were 5 months ago. So performance from this meme coin is good, and right now Sundog is in buying range obviously, and Bitget, Bybit, Gate.io, HTX, KuCoin are the central exchanges where this meme coin is already listed. And you can see these are other central exchanges, CoinX and Coin One Exchange, but still is no Bybit, Coinbase, Kraken. Many major central exchanges still no listed Sundo coin. But friends, because this is the high market and first meme coin in Tron ecosystem, so definitely I think Tron Sundog has potential to be the next listing for major central exchanges. You can check out all further details on Sunpump website. You can see listed on Sunswap, that's Tron Dex. These are some central exchanges where this coin listed. You can copy its official contract address here. Price in TRX is zero point 0.3 TRX, drop by almost 7%. Liquidity is 2 million TRX Trons. You can buy this meme coin connecting your wallet, okay, directly on this Sun Pump. Okay, this is same just like Solana has Sun Fun Pump, so Sun has, Tron has Pump Fun. Okay, these are the top holders of this meme coin, friends. Number one wallet has 13% of supply, other has 11% of supply. Load more, you can check out all wallets here, they are holding this coin. So friends, no doubt Sundog is very amazing meme coin, and right now in massive dip, only $74 million market right now, so in massive dump, no doubt. And now my price prediction about Sundog is that I think Sundog has potential to be the next 3 to maybe $5 billion market meme coin. It's definitely possible that in this year's super cycle meme coin bullion, we can see Sundog around $5 billion market or maybe more, because Justin Sun is a billionaire. Okay, that is Tron ecosystem founder. So definitely, if Sundog is promoted by himself, Justin Suns, then definitely Sundog can be the next $1 billion market meme coin, and we can see his market around $5 billion or maybe more. And definitely central exchanges will also list this coin, because right now Binance has many meme coin from different chains, and definitely in coming few months we can see Tron ecosystem meme coin on Binance and Coinbase also. What do you think was your price prediction about this coin? You can must comment down below. Do you also think that Sundog has potential to be the next $5 billion market or more? You can must comment down below.